Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 4th standard ICSE. Today we are going to write our November monthly test. So this is our revision class. Let us go to the revision class now. First thing is we are going to see the pattern for this lesson. Revision test is for us unit 4 is the topic portion. And the pattern is, first thing is we are going to write the fill in the blanks for 5 marks, and second one is do as directed, that is division sums. You are going to write 5 sums, 4 marks, it is 20 marks. And third one is a solve word problem. You are going to write for 2 word problems, 2 5s are 10. So totally 35 marks you are going to write today's test. Watch the link keenly and do the assignments also and do the sums. Practice well and attend the sums properly. Coming to the first 1 mark revision, fill in the blanks. 9 divided by 9. Whenever we are dividing the same number, the answer is 1. And second one, 0 divided by 20. Whenever we are dividing the 0, we will get the answer is 0. Third one, 27 divided by 3. So, say the 3 table up to 27, it is 9 times. So, 9 is the answer. The fourth one is 15 divided by 15. Whenever we are dividing the same number, the answer is 1. Fifth one, 0 divided by 8. The answer is 0. Sixth one, 12 divided by 4. Say that 4 table up to 12, it is 3 times. So, the answer is 3. Next, 7th one, 28 divided by 2. So, 2 table, how many times 28 will come? You have to check it. In 2, 1 time. In 8, 4 times. The answer is 14. And 8th one, 17 divided by 0. So, whenever we are saying dividing with a 0, it is meaningless, no value for this. 0 has, we don't have a 0 table at all. So, when we are dividing by 0, it is meaningless. Next, 9th one, divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. This is the checking process. So, when we are doing the division and we are doing the checking, we used to do this formula, that is divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. Next one, 10th sum, 405 divided by 10. So, 0 number divisions, 10 has 1 0. So, the last number is the remainder, remaining as a quotient. So, 40 is the quotient, remainder is 5. Next, 1463 divided by 10. So, similarly, 10 as 1 0. So, last one number, that is 3 as a remainder. Remaining 146 is the quotient. Coming to the 12th sum, 8324 divided by 100. 100 has 2 zeros. So, last 2 number, 24 is the remainder. Remaining 83 is the quotient. Next, 13th sum, 92,562 divided by 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. The last 3 number is a remainder, remaining as a quotient. So, 562 is the remainder, 92 is the quotient. Next, 14th sum, 48 divided by 28. So, round it off to, so round off number also we read. The first thing is 48 is round off nearest to 50. 28 is round off nearest to 30. So, 1 marks revision is over now. Similarly, you can try the remaining sums or go through the sums in the book also. Children, now coming to the second Roman letter, do as directed. What are the possible questions available in this unit? Let me teach now. So, listen carefully first, okay. Divide using long division. So, long division method, we know that. Let me recall once. I'll take an example sum here. Similarly, I'll give an homework sum. You have to practice the sum, then only you will do it correctly. Coming to the sum now. 678 divided by 6. 6 is the divisor. So, we need to say the 6 table. So, take the 6 out and 678 inside, okay. So, first thing is 6 is the 1 digit number. To take first one digit number. So here 6. In 6 we have a 6 one time. So 1 times 6. Next is 6 minus 6 is 0. Next bring down the next number 7. In 7 also we have a 1 6. So 1 6 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Next one bring down the next last number 8. Now 18. 3 8s are 3 6 are 18. So remainder is 0. The quotient is 113. Remainder is 0. Similarly, one more sum is given for you. You have to do it, children. Now the 4-digit number division, 9432 divided by 9. So first number, 1-digit number we can take. In 9, 1 9s are 9, 9 minus 9 0. Next bring down the next number 4. 4 is a smaller number than 9, so you have to put a 0 in the quotient and bring down the next number also. Now we have 43. In 43 we have 4 9s are 36. 43 minus 36 7. Next bring down the last number 2, 72. 8 9s are 72. So the sum is over now. Quotient is 1048. Remainder is 0. One more sum is given for you as an assignment. Do it, children. Next model is divide and check your answer. For example, 649 divided by 4. The first one digit number 6. In 6 we have 1 time 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Next bring down the next number. Now we have 24. 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 24 0. Next bring down the next number 9. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 1. The quotient is 162. Remainder is 1. Now we can go for the checking section. Divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. So divisor is 4. Quotient is 162. So first thing is you have to multiply, then add the remainder 1. When you multiply 648 plus 1 is 649, which is equal to our dividend. So the sum is verified now. So similarly, one more sum is given as an assignment. You have to do it, children. Next model sum is find the estimated quotient. So we are going to find it out the estimation. 315 divided by 43. So 315 is round off nearest to 300. 43 is round off nearest to 40. So the division section we can take 300 divided by 40. In 300 we have 1 0 and for 40 we have 1 0. You can cancel it. Then you can take 30 divided by 4. 7 4 is 28, remaining 2. So the estimated quotient is 7. Similarly, one more sum is given for you, children. You can try it. The next model division is 2 digit by 2 digit number, 3 digit by 2 digit number, and 4 digit by 2 digit number. So now fifth sum model is 256 divided by 34. 34 table we does know, children, so we have to take the 34 in the rough column, multiply with the 2, multiply with the 3, multiply with the 4 and get ready with the 34 table. Now the first number is 34 is a 2 digit number, take 2 digit number inside. 256, 25 is the 2 digit number, but 25 is smaller number than 34, so take 3 digit number 256. 34 into 7 times we will get 238, remaining is 18. So quotient is 7 and remainder is 18. Similarly, one more sum for you, 735 divided by 16. So 16 table, if you know means you can do it, otherwise write it in the rough column. First number 16 is a 2 digit number, in take 2 digit number 73. In 73 we have 4 times 64, remaining 9. Bring down the next number, we have 95 in our hand. 16 into 5, 80. Remaining is 15. So the quotient is 45 and remainder is 15. So similarly, 2 more sums is given for you as an assignment. Do it, children. The last model sum is divide and check your answer. 4 digit number by 2 digit number. So 5204 divided by 93. 93 table we does know, you can write it in the rough column, multiply and keep it ready. First thing is 93 is a 2-digit number, you can take a 2-digit number inside. 52, 52 is smaller than 93, you can take a 3-digit number 520. In 520, 93 is 5 times 465. Then do the subtraction, remaining is 55. Bring down the next number 4, 554. 5 times again 465, remaining is 89. We have a quotient is 55, remainder is 89. Now coming for the checking section, divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder, that is 93 multiply by 55 plus 89. Do the first multiplication, 93 into 55 into the rough column. The answer is 5115 plus 89 equal to 5204, which is equal to our dividend. So the sum is verified now. So similarly you can try the one more sum is given for you children. Now the last section is word problem. We are going to write 2 word problems. In exercise 4.5 we have 10 word problems are there. Let me revise 1 or 2 sums for you. You can recall the division sums and go through the sums, remaining sums also. Let me take one sum for your example revision. 156 students participated in a quiz competition. 6 students form a team. How many team are there? That's a question. So total number of children they given, number of team they are given, number of students can form a team they given, and how many number of teams are formed, that's a question. So 156 divided by 6 means we will get the of teams. Solution, number of students is equal to 156, number of students in a team is equal to 6. Therefore, number of teams formed is equal to 156 divided by 6. Do it in the rough column. The answer is 26. So, 26 teams are formed. Okay, children. Let me explain one more sum for you. The 9th sum. So, rupees 6012 is shared equally among 21 children. How much money does each children get? How much money is left over? That's a question. So, total amount is 6012. Number of children is 21. Do it in the rough column. Divide by 21, 6012. The answer is 286 is the quotient. Remaining is 6. So therefore, the amount of each children get is equal to rupees 286 and the leftover amount is 6. That's it children, we completed the revision section now. Few sums I gave as a homework to you. You can try that sum. You can do the exams very well. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Do your exams well.